Hi everyone. Today I'll be doing another quick unboxing of an appliance that I've had for several months. This is the Nostalgia My Mini Sandwich Maker. I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll make a breakfast sandwich. So let's see what we have. It's got the styrofoam. They've got the plastic bag, which wasn't on there very good. And again, it's in my favorite color, which is teal. So we have the Nostalgia My Mini Sandwich Maker. So it's got the heating plates on the top and the bottom. It's got the little divider line so you won't have to cut it. It'll be indented anyway, might be cut. It'll be easy to cut in the crossways fashion. So just like all of the Nostalgia and Dash units, it does not have an on-off switch. It's got the indicator light. You plug it in, the light will come on. When it is ready to cook, the light will go off saying that it's preheated. It comes with this little manual. Tells you how to clean it up before you use it for the first time. It goes over all the things that it includes. Tells you how to operate it. Then it has some recipes: hot ham and cheese sandwich, quesadilla, pepperoni pizza pocket, cherry pie, which sounds really good. I might try that down the road, cinnamon rolls, and a giant chocolate chip cookie. I'm not making any of the recipes today, which is really kind of strange of me to venture out and try my own thing. So today I'll be making a breakfast sandwich with egg, bacon, and cheese. What goes into the breakfast sandwich that I'll be making in the Nostalgia Sandwich Maker? A little bit of olive oil to wipe down the unit just to help protect the nonstick finish. 2 scrambled eggs made in the microwave. 1 small package of microwave bacon and some cheddar cheese. And bread. So let's begin. So I'll preheat the unit just by plugging it in. The light is on. When the light is off, then it is ready to go. So the light went off. That handle looks a little flimsy, so I hope it don't ever break. And then douse your paper towel with some oil. You don't want to get too much, you just want to lightly grease it. And that's just to help protect the nonstick finish. If you use the sprays will ruin the nonstick finish. Okay, so now we can assemble our sandwich. So take your bread. You want to make sure it's thin and a smaller one that will fit in the little crevice there. Take your egg, and you can probably butter the insides of your toast if you'd like. You know, this is going to be your breakfast sandwich. You can make it however you want. And I'm going to put some of the bacon and cheese and make sure that it stays inside the bread. Then the other slice of bread. And then put this down. You want to make sure that you don't force it and that it's able to latch. And then cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. It's been 2 minutes. Let's take a look. And there you have it, a nice golden brown. I'll unplug it. And you always want to use a plastic or wooden utensil so don't scratch the non-stick surface. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll let it cool for a few minutes, and with this indentation I'll cut it in half. It should be pretty easy. So here is my breakfast sandwich that I made with my Nostalgia My Mini Sandwich Maker. I'll do the taste test since Dave's gone for 2 weeks, so let's give it a try. As you can see, it's sealed pretty much all the way around. A little bit of egg escaped, but if you get it in there just right, it will seal all the way around. Let's see how it tastes. Dave would like it cooked this dark. I would like it a little bit lighter, so maybe a minute and a half. But it does taste very good. I think it would be better if I did have butter or something on the bread. But it's a very quick, easy breakfast that you can make before you go to school or before you go to work. So, in the words of Dave,
recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.